As we are learning about body movements, the bones, and the skeletal system, let us learn about the benefits of yoga in our life. Yoga is quite beneficial for healthy bones and muscles. It's a mind and body practice and it keeps both the mind and the body healthy. Practicing the yoga asanas daily keeps our bones and muscles healthy. It also strengthens the muscles and increases its flexibility. In our daily life, we work in very pressure and our stress lifestyle is becoming a major reason for health problem and many diseases for us. And yoga can surely be called the solution to all these problems. Dear students, if we practice yoga daily for 30 minutes only, then I assure you a good health. When we practice yoga in our daily life, whether it is good physical health or mental or emotional balance, freedom from stress, all these things, they are the result of yoga. Yoga has almost everything to offer. In today's fast life, yoga has become all the important because we are exposed to various hazards, various stress. So we need to relieve ourselves from all such things. Let us discuss about some of the benefits that yoga brings in our life. Complete health. Yoga helps us to be healthy in each and every way, or I can say in every way yoga is 100% beneficial for all of us. Improved immunity, stress release, intuition. So nowadays, as due to corona outbreak, we are all focusing on the immunity. So yoga is something that provides all the solution to all the problems. Complete health, a good physical, mental and emotional health. There is a proper balance of the all types of health when we practice yoga regularly. And I can call it a personal experience also. When I practice yoga daily, I'm feeling a change. Now that we are focusing on immunity thing, that various yoga techniques and various asana, pranayams, all these they boost the immunity and also improve our blood circulation. Yoga improves the assimilation of the nutrients in our body. In other words, we can say it helps in elimination of waste also. So it relieves us of stress. So when in simple language I want to speak, then we can say that yoga is a stress buster. In today's life, we need to be stress free because we are constantly living in a threat. We are being insecure about life these days. So practicing yoga, it heals us nowadays. So I would advise it.